Welcome back to another shiny tutorial. Here I have 3mm spacer beads, 4mm circle rhinestones, 4x8 eye-shaped rhinestones, 0.2 steel wire, about 60 centimeters, clasps and crimp beads. Let's get started.
Oh, the beauty she creates, with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide. From hair clips to jewelry fine, her hands weave magic, one thread at a time. A symphony of color and light, a dance of beads on this crafting night.
Hope you enjoyed creating with me. Until next time, stay creative.
She creates with every stitch.